Take a ride in the 2018 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance, capless fuel filler system, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.